Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
تقبل الله منا ومنكم عيد مبارك علينا وعليكم.
تقبل الله منا ومنكم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Eid Mubarak to everyone. Today we are going to see desirable acts of Eid al-Fitr Day. Number 1. Getting up early from sleep. Number 2. Performing Fajr Salah in the local mosque. Number 3. Cleaning the mouth with toothpick. Number 4. Bathing. Number 5. Wearing one's best garment. Number 6. Apply perfume. Number 7. Eating before going to the special mosque for Eid. Number 8. Paying the charity of fast breaking before going to the special mosque for Eid if it is compulsory for him. Number 9. Giving more charity as per his means. Number 10. Displaying cheerfulness and jubilation. Number 11. Going early to the special mosque for Eid, walking and saying takbir inaudibly. Number 12. Returning from the special mosque in another way.